Hello.
Hi,
Hi. Hello. Good evening.
evening to you.
Evening to you.
Mm-hmm. So
So,
you need, mm-hmm.
where shall we where shall we start today?
You were talking of your book. That's what you said. You're going to do it from your read book.
Well, we could do that. Yes.
Not we
Okay.
could. That's what you told me we should do.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's the could coming from?
You have a better memory than I have.
Why is that?
I don't know.
You need more chickens.
Ah,
Mm-hmm. That's a
okay.
secret. Okay. So you wanted section one of your book.
Yes.
That's where we need to start from.
Okay.
Can you see the board?
Yes, I can see the board. I cannot see you.
Oh, yeah, you can't see me.
No.
Ah, maybe it will come, maybe not. Can you see
I
what
just
I'm writing?
Yes, but there are scribbles, right?
Yeah, they're not
All right.
something accurate. Yeah, you just
Okay.
to see that you can see it. That's all.
All right.
Okay, right. So we could look at the yeah. Should we go through those examples, or do you want us just to look at the
Yes,
start with the
better go all over, from the
all
start.
over? Okay, right. All right. Okay. So the what is saying there? Okay. So we are talking about calculations.
Mhm.
Now it's talking about the order of operations, which means which one do you do first, which one do you do second, which one do you do third. Okay. So in order to help us, then we need to use the word BODMAS.
Mhm.
So BODMAS will stand for brackets. Now, because you are of old like me, then other is not other, it's of. Okay. And D is division, we agree there. M is multiplication, and then you have addition, and then finally subtraction. So
Mhm.
these are the order, the way we need to do calculating any numbers that have got a mixed signs or mixed
And
operands. We call them operands. Okay.
and the
Right.
book, when they describe what BODMAS stands for,
Mm-hmm.
between division and multiplication, they put a forward slash. Is that correct?
No, they shouldn't be forward slash at all. My book I have here is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and there's a comma after each one of the separated.
Oh, so this is the same book.
Yeah, the same book, but because yours is only
Oh, I see. I see.
yeah, I'm surprised because that's why I'm surprised. But
Okay.
it's more likely that all the examples should be the same. Okay,
Hmm.
so let's look at the example one. So
So
example one it says, mhm,
I have a question though, because
yes, yes.
it's both this forward slash is both between division and multiplication, and then
Mhm.
again between addition and subtraction. They also put a between them. They put a forward slash instead of a comma. So
Uh,
so
no,
just
that's not correct because they are supposed to be independent. Each one of them is independent.
so just tell me this: the order
Mhm.
of operations is always division before multiplication and addition before subtraction.
Let me see. You are starting from left, going to the sorry, from right, going to the left.
No, left to right.
Yeah, you are supposed to move
Uh,
from left to right. Yes.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So obviously you need to do addition before you subtract.
Yes. No, because in this book, because they put the forward slash, it's misleading. It
Yes,
doesn't
exactly.
mean this.
Yeah, someone
All
who
right.
was translating must be not the English person. So because in order to upload, you said it's on your whatever you call it, new things. You
Kindle. Yeah.
yeah, you're in the Kindle, so probably to upload on the Kindle. Somebody thought, putting a slash is the same as a comma. No, in English, no. Because when you put a comma means each one of them is independent. If you put a slash, it means the either or.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, right. All right. So the first example one is a 20 Okay, and then he wants us to subtract 3 and then to multiply by 4. Okay, so we're going to be using our weapon, which is BODMAS, to make sure we don't get things wrong. Okay, so according to BODMAS, right? So the operands we have there is multiplication and subtraction. Okay, so subtraction comes last. So which means we need to do multiplication first. So you can put these brackets. So that's why brackets are very useful. When you put a bracket, it means you need to work inside the bracket first.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yes.
So we need to multiply this first. So then it's going to be 20 minus, then 3 times 4, 12. And then next, we're going to remove the brackets. So 20 minus 12.
There seem to be some differences then between this book and yours, because in this first example, A is 20 minus 12 divided by 2 times 3.
No, that's different. Have you put the same book? I gave you a B number.
No,
That
it is the same. It has the same ISBN.
Was that the same IBN that I gave you? You're freezing. Yep. What have you done? You seem to be on holiday. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Are you in power trouble again?
Are you in power trouble again? Yes, yes. I couldn't hear you properly. But now it's fine. I can see you. And I actually, I emailed you this a copy of what I'm working from. It's the first 50 pages of this book.
Right. Okay. Don't worry. Let's use yours.
Oh, okay.
That's easier.
You'll find it in the email then, right now.
Yeah, that's fine. But let's use yours. Just give me the problems as well.
Okay. So,
yeah, so we don't to waste the time.
20 minus 12.
So you have 20 minus 12.
Divided by 2 times 3.
So divided by 2 and then multiply by 3. All right. So we have minus, we have division, we have multiplication. So we are going to look at our BODMAS here. Okay. So division, okay, and then we have multiplication. Okay, so which means this first, this second, and this third. All right. So to avoid making mistakes, then what we're going to do, we're going to write 20. Then we take away 12. Okay. So we said we need to divide first. So we're going to put a bracket there. And then we are dividing by 2. I'm going to put a bracket again. Then multiply by 3. So then I'm going to have 20. I'm going to subtract 6. And then I'm multiplying by 3. So then I have 20 minus 6 multiplied by 3. Then I look again back. Okay, so it says multiply first. So then I'm going to put a bracket here. So I'm going to multiply what is inside the bracket, which is 18. And then when I remove the bracket, I'm going to get 20 minus 18, which should give me 2.
Yes.
Yeah? Right. Right. Okay, so give me another one.
Yes. 30 divided by, in brackets, 15 minus 12.
So 30 divided by bracket
15 minus 12.
Minus 12. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, so BODMAS tells me I need to do B first, okay, which is this bracket. So I'm going to have 30 minus bracket. Yeah, 15 take away 12 is 3. And then next I'm going to remove this bracket because I've done it. I'll take away 3, and that should give me 27. Okay.
Divided.
Oh, is it divided?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I subtracted. Okay, okay. If it's divided, let's go back. We might have done something wrong. Okay, so we have division. So brackets first, and then division. So we need to divide. So we are fine. So the answer is going to be 10. Yeah. Okay.
No. Well, I did the exercises and I got all of them right except one of them.
Okay.
We covered it last time, but I'd like to do it again. It's F. So it's 8 times 2 divided by 4.
So
over
8
times 2 divided by 4.
So 2 then divided by 4.
And all of this is over 5 minus 6 plus 7.
So 5 minus 6.
6 plus 7.
Plus 7. Okay, so I said you need to do the top on its own first and the bottom on its own. Okay, so this big line, which is over, should come last. Okay, so if we look at the top there, okay, we have multiplication and division. So it tells us that division need to come first. So it's going to be 8. Okay, multiply by bracket. Then we're going to have 2 divide by 4. And that is half. So 8 multiplied by half will give us 4. So that's the top. Okay, the bottom is going to be, yeah, we have minus, we have plus. Okay, so if we get there, you find addition comes first. So it's going to be 5. Okay, so minus bracket. Okay, 6 plus 7. But we have to be careful here, because if we just put the brackets unnecessary. Okay, you see, if we put this bracket, this is going to become minus here. Yeah, because it's going to be minus, so this becomes a positive. So what we can do, yeah, it should work exactly the same. We can take what is positive here. So what is positive is 5 and 7. So maybe that's what you were tempted to do. Yeah.
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay.
No,
right.
The problem was, I think the problem was because the line means division.
Yes.
I wasn't sure how to do that.
Yeah.
Because I think I was getting a negative, 6. Yeah, eventually I would get a negative if I did 5 minus 11.
Okay.
And I couldn't do that anyway.
Right. Okay.
And the book is misleading in that they didn't put a comma between, division and multiplication and addition and subtraction. They did the / which means either or. So that was misleading.
Okay.
For me.
Right. Yeah. Right. So let's see here what we're going to do here. So effectively, this is negative. This is the one which is subtracting. It's this and this, which is adding.
I can't see your pointer.
You can see my point. Can you see now?
No, the page has moved. Yes, It's been a while. So.
Okay.
It's invisible, I think, because I saw you removing some, erasing a bit, but I can't see the pointer itself. So if you're pointing at something, I can't see it.
Let me try red. Can you see this? You can see red, yeah?
I can't see the. I can see the color and all, but I can't see the pointer.
The way I was pointing. So I'm pointing here.
Yes. All right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm saying what is the positive is going to be
5.
5 and
7.
And 7. Because if we add this to here, what are we going to get? We're going to get the 1. You follow?
No.
Right.
Because I can't see
it here. So we have 5 minus 6.
Yes.
Plus 7.
Yes. 6 plus 7 becomes 11.
6 can't be because this is minus.
I'm sorry, actually 13. 13.
Yeah, but this is minus, so it can't be. Is minus 6 plus 7.
Oh.
So this is 1. And 1 plus 5 is going to be 6. You follow? Try to put this in your calculator. See what you get. Okay. Put in your calculator. See whether we agree that we get 6. So 5 minus 6 plus 7.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah. So how does it get 6?
So it's because it's minus 6, not 6.
Yeah, it's minus 6. So even if you put a bracket, that's why I was saying, if you put a bracket, this becomes plus, and this is minus. So therefore, 7 minus 6 is going to be 1. So then you are going to have 5 plus 1, which gives you.
Where's 6. The rule? Where's the rule that you identify 6 as minus 6? Because I thought it was positive.
You have minus here.
Yeah, but
I thought the number you have given me, is it correct? You said 5 minus 6 plus 7.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just assumed minus meant the operation to do.
Yes. Is it true? But the number is negative. Yes, the number is negative. You are subtracting it. So here you have this positive number. This is a positive number. This is negative. So the 6 is negative.
So determining whether a number is positive or negative, it's just because of the symbol on the left.
These ones here, which haven't got a symbol, there's a plus. We don't write them.
Well, 7 has plus.
Yeah, because it is after this number. But the first one, it hasn't got. So if you don't have anything here, just know it is positive. Therefore, it has a plus, but everybody knows that it's a plus.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. So every time you see a minus and then on the right you see a number, that number is negative.
Yes.
Always.
Yeah. Think this way, okay?
Okay.
Think this way. I come to you, okay? Mm-hmm. I take £5.
Mm-hmm.
You follow?
Yes.
All right. So if I take £5, it means yourself £5 is negative.
Mm-hmm.
To me, £5 is going to be positive because I've added on top of my money I already have.
Mm-hmm.
I come to you and then I pay back £6.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, if I pay back £6, it means you have gained 1.
Mm-hmm.
But me, I have lost the 1.
Yes.
All right. So which means you owe me 1, and that 1 I've lost. It means if this was the total money I have, it's going to be 7. Take away 1 that I've lost to you. So therefore, I'm going to remain with 6.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So we're going to have 6. So which means at the bottom, yeah, it's going to be 6. So this here is going to give us 6. Therefore, now it's going to be 4 over 6. So then you have 2, which can divide into 4. Yeah, that gives you 2. And the 2 that you can divide into 6 is going to give you 3. So therefore, the answer is going to be 2/3.
Okay. What I'd like is to do it all over again.
Yeah, okay. Right.
It's because of the putting it in brackets, you know. 5 minus 6 plus 7 when we put...
yeah, this is giving you a headache.
No, I just want to see it.
You need to have a headache, not a headache. Okay. Give me the numbers again. Okay.
8 times 2 divided by 4 over 5 minus 6
over
plus 4.
5 plus 7. Yeah.
Plus 7.
Okay. So the top, okay, again, we are using a BODMAS. Okay. So BODMAS tells us that we are looking at the multiplication and we're looking at division. So BODMAS says we need to divide first. Can you see? So it's 2 divided by 4. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. Because the division is between 2 and 4. So I said if you put a bracket here, we will help you to see what you do. Okay. So therefore, what you have, so work at the top first. So top is going to be 8 times bracket, and 2 divided by 4 is 2 over 4. Yeah. This is over 1. If you want, you can take as it is. So it's going to be 8 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 4 equals 2 times 8 over 4 times 1. So this is going to give you 16 over 4, which is equal to 4.
Yes.
So the top is 4. The bottom, okay, is going to be 5. Take away 6 plus 7. So we are saying, according to BODMAS, okay, we need to add first. Now, the numbers we need to add effectively is this number and that number, because these are the numbers that are positive.
Because I can't see the pointer, you know, the cursor. I can't see the top. Sorry.
Here I am. Okay. So this number and this number, they are positive.
Yes.
Therefore, these are the numbers we need to add, not this number. This number is subtracting. So this one is subtracting.
Yes, but you have to add 7 to minus 6.
Yeah. So, but if you want to use this one, okay, if you put a bracket, you're going to have minus 6 plus 7.
Okay.
Therefore, what you have now, remember, this one is not subtracting, so it's going to be plus this, because your minus is inside here. So now 7 take away 6 is going to get 1. So you're going to have 5 plus 1. And then if you add this, you're going to get 6. Okay? So therefore, what you have now,
so it becomes 5 plus brackets 1. Minus 6 plus 7.
Yeah.
Because the bracket and the minus canceled each other and became plus.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Yeah. You can't subtract this because this one here is adding, is a positive. Okay. Yeah. So then what do you have? You're going to have 4 at the top divided by 6 at the bottom. And then you find the number that dividing both 4 and 6 without a remainder. So that is going to be 2. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 6 is 3. And the final answer is going to be 2/3.
Okay.
All right.
All right.